The easiest way to remove stains from your clothes. Blood. Pre-soak in heavily salted cold water or detergent. Chewing gum. Put clothing in the freezer, as once the gum is hard and brittle, it can easily be scraped off with a knife. Cooking fat. Create a paste of bicarbonate of soda and a little water to spread over the stain, leave for 30 minutes, and then wash in biological detergent. Crayon. If the crayon is soft, freeze the fabric to harden and then scrape off the excess. Place the stain between clean paper towels and press with a warm iron to transfer the stain to the paper towels. Repeat as needed. Pre-treat with a pre-wash stain remover, blot and let dry. Grass. Dab with methylated spirits and allow to dry, then wash as normal. Visit FastKlean.co.uk to book online or call us now on 020-8884-9149.